Hi, I'm Connor Coughlin, co-founder of Hook Home, and we make beautiful furniture that's easy to put together. How easy? Hook saves you time, and time is money.
We all work pretty hard, so it's important to take some me time. It's also important to have the room to do it. That's why all Hook furniture comes with a patented Flatpack system, so you can stow your furniture away and transform your space.
After me and Zuck are done getting our sweat on in the metaverse, it's back to work and making moves. And speaking of moves, you know those people who throw their furniture out on the curb every time they move apartment? I hate those f***ers. Stop buying cheaply made furniture with names like Flugengrag. All Hook furniture comes with a lifetime warranty and is designed to be taken with you, whether that's moving apartment or taking a bike ride through Central Park. Do you know over 10 million tons of furniture is thrown away every year? That's almost 5% of everything that goes into landfill. The other 95% is left out in the New York streets. Every piece of Hook furniture is designed and made with premium materials and the latest technologies right here in Brooklyn, New York. Hey, I'm walking here. Don't make life difficult. We are Hook Home.
Furniture Simplified!